Construction work is basically gym membership without AC. You carry sand with a tray pan, move blocks, mix cements, and keep going even when the heat is serious. The sun is not smiling with anybody. 12 noon heat, brother, that sun is personal. You are sweating from places you didn't know could sweat. You don't necessarily need a specific degree, but basic education and practical site training or apprenticeship will help. Depending on where you work, skilled workers abroad can earn around $10 to $20 per hour or more. The stressful part is the heat, body pain, and constant lifting. But the happiest moment is standing back, looking at the finished building and saying, I helped build this.